Stress. What is stress? Welcome to our video series on stress. There is good stress, and there is bad stress. However, bad stress is not good for you. It is not good for your brain, and it is not good for your general health. You may have heard people talk about getting stressed out, and you may wonder, what exactly is the meaning of the term stress? According to the womenshealth.gov fact sheet on stress, stress is a feeling you get when faced with a challenge. In small doses, stress can be good for you because it makes you more alert and gives you a burst of energy. For instance, if you start to cross the street and see a car about to run you over, that jolt you feel helps you to jump out of the way before you get hit, which is a good response to the threat to your life. However, that is with all things in life, too much of anything can be harmful to you, and stress is one of them. Bear in mind that it is a well-known fact that feeling stressed for a long time can take a toll on your mental and physical health. Though it may seem hard to find ways to de-stress, with all the things you have to do, it's important to find those ways. Your health depends on your ability to manage the excitement that comes with being alive. In this video, we will discuss stress, the consequences of stress, and more importantly tips and tricks on how to manage stress. We have also curated some useful resources from reputable organizations, and we sincerely hope that you will find the articles and video resources very useful. Our resources will help you to have a clearer understanding of how to manage the ups and downs of everyday living. We encourage you to watch our video series on cognitive health in its entirety to get an understanding of what stress is. Remember to watch our video on dealing with emotional problems. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. This is a Faith Media Platform educational resource.